The national anthem.
His Royal Highness. His Royal Highness Alhaji Mujahid.
Your Excellency, sir, before you are the newly recognized traditional rulers in Rivers State. Who I'm very grateful. I'm talking from the angle of the Ministry of Chieftaincy and Community Affairs, and also on behalf of the Rivers State Traditional Rulers Council. We thank you for adding to the number of Rivers State traditional rulers into the Rivers State Traditional Rulers Council today. We have 2 Royal Majesties and 2 Royal Highnesses for a presentation of staff of office and certificates. Their names had already been mentioned, and mine is to present them to you to do the needful. Your Excellency, sir, these are the newly recognized traditional rulers for presentation of staff of office and certificates. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me first, on behalf of the government, congratulate the 4 of you. It has not been an easy journey to get to this point. I know a lot of you have been working very hard. The appointment in terms of this recognition this evening is not for personal aggrandizement, or for service. It is a call, a responsibility to help us protect life and property in your domain. I don't want you to see this elevation as another platform to create problems in your locality. It's important to us. We have the power to still withdraw this recognition, but I don't intend to do that. So I want you to be partners to the government and to ensure that we continue to succeed. I know that you're men of integrity, support the cause of governance so that we can all succeed together. It's really a privileged position, and I'm very sure that you're going to use it to the best of the interests of your people. Let me again congratulate you and wish you a successful reign. Thank you, and God bless you.
Hi, I'm lost of word. I'm very grateful, and we're going to work together with the Rivers State government to make sure that there is peace in my domain, and resources from my domain are brought in to contribute to the revenue base of the state and to help the development and the growth of Rivers State. Thank you very much.